Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to mirror a 3D part or feature of an object. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's come on up, go to New Design. We're going to start a sketch now on the XY plane. Okay, and we're going to grab our line tool. I'm going to zoom in a bit here. And we're just going to start dragging out a line, a horizontal line that is 1.25 inches in length. Okay, I'm going to zoom in. It's a little easier to see. Grab my line tool again. Make a line that's 0.5. Another line here that is 0.75, and then a line straight up that is 0.5, and then a line over here to our Y, our green axis here, and then a line straight down to close our loop. Okay, I'm going to go ahead now and hit escape. Okay, everything looks good. Let me just make sure. I think this guy was 0.5. Yep, and we are good. Let's go ahead and finish our sketch. Okay, now we are going to extrude out this feature. Okay, a distance of 0.75. Hit OK. All right, and we're going to just add a few features here. So let's go ahead and first, though, create this hole that's supposed to be on here. So we're going to start a sketch right here. And we're going to go to create, and we're going to drop a point right here, somewhere in this vicinity. It doesn't have to be exact. I'm going to dimension it, though, and I'm going to just say, let's see here, it was 0.75 divided by 2. Okay, and let's do it the other way too. 0.75 divided by 2. All right, now it's centered basically, right? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and finish our sketch, and we're going to put our hole in there. And we're just going to click right there, and our hole is going to have a diameter of 0.375. Whoops, I just adjusted the depth. Okay, and let's have it go all the way through here. And I'm sorry, here's where I need to specify the diameter of the hole, 0.375, enter. And we're good. Let's go ahead and hit OK. Now we're going to add some fillets right here on the corners, and those fillets are going to have a radius of 0.25. Okay, and that looks good. Let's go ahead and hit OK. And now we are ready to mirror. And to mirror it, come on up to create. Let's come on down to mirror again. Select mirror. Only this time we don't want to select faces. Now we want to select bodies because it's a 3D object. So we are going to, I'm just going to click, and I'm going to just kind of grab it all there, and that selected everything. Okay, I'm going to hover over, and now it's saying, hey, what's the plane you want to mirror it around? So I'm going to click here. I'm going to click that plane right there, and I'm going to hit OK. And there we have it, a mirrored feature. All right, but I'm going to show you one other way real quick. Let's go to create, mirror again, bodies. And remember, you can also, a lot of the time, instead of just clicking on this face right here for mirror plane, we could have come on over here to our origin and select our YZ plane as well, okay? Remember, these are the three planes that when we always begin designing something, these are those three planes that pop up, right? Okay. All right, so anyways, that's how you mirror a 3D feature or part. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.